How to install a Boomba racing blow-off valve in a first-gen Hyundai Veloster Turbo. You'll need a 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a 5mm Allen wrench. Begin by removing the bumper cover bolts on the driver's and passenger side fenders. Remove the bumper clips and bolts on top. Pop off the sides of the bumper cover and pivot it forward just enough to expose the stock bypass valve. It's located near the driver's side headlight. Remove the 3 bolts securing the stock bypass valve. Disconnect the vacuum line and remove the stock bypass valve. Disconnect the return hose from the intake and the bypass valve base plate. You won't be needing the base plate anymore. Cover the end of the return hose with the included plug and reattach it to the intake. This should accommodate OEM as well as aftermarket intake, like the one in our test car here. Attach the included vacuum line extension. Now you're ready to install the Boomba racing blow-off valve. Secure it with the provided socket head cap screws. Reattach the bumper and you're all set.